Have you noticed your garage door acting strangely? Misalignment might be causing these unsettling issues. A misaligned garage door often reveals itself through uneven movement and strange noises during operation. When your garage door struggles to open or close smoothly, misalignment could lead to costly repairs. Look for uneven gaps between the door and the ground. This is a clear indicator of misalignment. Is your garage door suddenly sticking or moving jerkily along its tracks? This can signal alignment problems. Strange grinding or squeaking sounds suggest that something in your garage door system is off balance. If your garage door appears slanted or crooked, it's likely misaligned due to damage or loose hardware. An aligned garage door holds its position. If it slides down unexpectedly, misalignment may be the cause. Track obstructions, loose hardware, and warped tracks are common culprits behind garage door misalignment issues. Professional garage door repair services can restore function, ensuring your door operates effectively and safely.